Guys, my lover Snowglobe is here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. I can't. Yo, where'd I put my damn scissors? Eat everything tonight. Okay. So, very careful. Oh my gosh, she packaged it perfectly. Oh. Okay. Okay. I want to cry. I cannot believe this, guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. He's mine. Oh wait, wrong side. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared. How do I do this? How would you fuck up the styrofoam? I need this. How would you fuck up the styrofoam, dude? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I can see it. Holy shit. Okay, so that's garbage. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, no way. I cannot believe I fucking owned it. Shut the fuck up. Oh my gosh. He's mine. He's mine. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. He's so fucking gorgeous. I can't. Oh my god. I cannot believe it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I need to wipe him off. He's so dirty. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so fucking gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Holy shit, he's so gorgeous. Okay. Need to put him down so I don't break him. Okay. I'm gonna go right in between the two. Does that look stupid? Probably. But I don't give a fuck. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe he's mine, guys.